So anyway, here we stand, 2.3 miles above sea level in the majestic, far more majestic than Kansas, Rocky Mountain National Park. We just went to the hotel that was the inspiration for The Shining. More than anything, though, I had to comment on the sound effect. I'm a boxer's man, have been for quite a long time. Middle school, I don't know what that is, 10, 12 years. I have no urge to switch to the boxer briefs. I understand what you're saying about the cup of water that pools around the asshole. I really don't think it's that big a problem, though. I mean, if you keep moving around, keep it loose, it's not that bad. There is a problem with that. I do get the scrotal chafing. That, you know, really the only solution to that is Chris Hansen used talc. He actually talcs the ball sack, which is horrifying, especially because he told me about it at work. It has a sound effect, is the best part. I think simple standard deodorant works fine to keep, you know, perspiration low, keep everything lubricated. That's a deep summer thing. I'm talking 95% humidity, 80-degree heat. I mean, if you're getting asshole sweat and ball chafing at Target in the air conditioning, you might just need to get in better shape, because that's god awful. And you know, prints aside, I feel some fairly normal underwear. Nothing European style, nothing cut awkwardly. I've considered moving into silk, but I'm a little creeped out by it. Really, I don't think things should be flopping. I don't think the boys need a home. I mean, it's just off my radar. And anyway, I'm gonna give another little panorama here of the Rocky Mountain National Park. 2.3 miles. It is exhausting. I don't think you understand. There's a trail. It's really flat right here, but man, that shit is slanted. It is slanted elsewhere. So the next you hear from me, I will either be in Kansas or, failing that, Alaska. This is my so.
Or Pikes Peak.
Or Pike. Oh, we're doing Pikes Peak next weekend, so that could be there. Yeah.